Hello everyone. So for number 28, we're going to be taking a look at expressing, let me get the right pen ready. We're going to express the product of a trinomial and a binomial in standard form. So standard form, remember that we want to make sure everything's combined, everything's been simplified as much as it can, and that the exponents are in descending order. So we don't want to just kind of scramble everything up. We want to make sure if there's an x to the fourth, that we begin there and work our way downward. Whatever the exponents may be, they should start from the highest and work their way down to the lowest. But first, we do have to multiply. And I'm going to set up, and if you didn't know that, I should go back to what the question's asking. That would be helpful. It says product. So that's how we know we're going to be multiplying. Okay, so basically they want us to do 2x squared plus 7x minus 10 in parentheses times x plus 5. So this is a little difficult to FOIL if you're not that comfortable with it. You'd be doing really 6 multiplications, 2x squared times x and so forth. So I'm going to set up a little box method down below, which is a helpful tool for multiplying polynomial expressions. I like to think of it as like a window. Okay, and I'm just going to slide this down. Have some space. There we go. So I'm going to set up my box. It's just taking more time than it should. But there we go. And now I'm going to align each term. So I'm going to start with the trinomial. I like to say they each get their kind of own little position on here. I want to include the sign. So notice my trinomial, I have 3 columns set up, one for each term. And we use a different color for the binomial. Doesn't matter, I did like a 3 by 2 box. If you made it a 2 by 3, it amounts to the same thing. Okay, x plus 5 down there. And now, to fill in what goes inside, we're going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 2x squared times x. I'm basically finding, like, conceptually, like the area of each box here. So this is 2x cubed. I'm adding exponents. This is going to be 7x squared. This is going to be negative 10x. This is going to be 10x squared. Notice I'm including the sign with each of these just to be careful. This is going to be 35x. And this is going to be negative 50. So we'll go back up top to write our final answer. 2x cubed. I'm going to start with the highest exponent, which is x cubed. There's nothing to combine it with. So that's going to be my first. It's the highest exponent. There's nothing to combine it with. That's where I'm going to start. Now next, my x squareds. I have 10x squareds, so we're done with this, and 7x squared. So I have a grand total of 17x squareds. And notice I'm going in exponential order here, decreasing. Okay, and now my x's, I have 35 and negative 10, which gives me 25, or grand total of 25 x's. And I'm just left with my constant. Again, nothing to combine. So that's just negative 50. Okay, so my final answer, let's just quickly check it over. It's in standard form. Why? It's in decreasing exponential order. Everything's been combined. And I correctly multiplied everybody. I included my signs, and I added exponents when necessary. So the product expressed in standard form would be what I have circled in purple here. That would be our final answer. We've shown all our work, and that would be it. Thank you for watching.